All right, boys and girls, we have some new spy photos of the new Corvette. The Zora has officially been confirmed. We got it all. Car Scoop did one hell of a job getting these photos, and we're going to cover it all because there's a bunch of new things and new updates with this new refresh Corvette C8. Let's get into it. What is going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, hit the thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. Let's keep on rocking. So jumping in right away, Car Scoop has released an article where they spied on some new Corvette prototypes, new Corvette C8 prototypes, and the news that everyone was waiting for, the wall of buttons is officially gone, ladies and gentlemen. So let's get into it. But one of the biggest things that was seen on these spy photos was that they spied or took pictures of two Zora coupes, which is insane. So let's get into the article. We give credit where credit is due. And it says, spy photographs have caught the Corvette Z8 prototypes with an updated interior. The models pretty much throws away the wall of buttons that was kind of controversial because some people liked it, some people hated. More people hated than actually liked it. And I could tell this from a personal experience. Every time I would go to a Corvette meet and I would meet some of these owners who own the new Corvette, they weren't too happy with that feature. So now the new upgraded interior should solve that problem for a lot of people who didn't like it. A group of Zora prototypes were also spied on, and they said to have at least more than 1,200 horsepower. The Zora Coupe is an amazing vehicle, but we'll have to see which one is going to be faster, whether the 01 or the Zora. I think the Zora is going to be probably faster. It's probably going to cost more, but let's get into it. And it says, fast forward to today, and it appears that everyone will finally get their wish of the prototype that what we see on the prototypes, which is getting away from that wall of buttons. While we can't see the full interior, I got pictures up top here. The car has a brand new dashboard that now flows around the new infotainment system. Now, you're not gonna like it, but the infotainment, you're still looking at your 8-inch infotainment, so that's a little bit where it's slacked. You still see the same steering wheel, you still see the same not climate, but the instrument cluster. Obviously there's a lot of tape and a lot of things that we could see in these pictures here. We're gonna show one here. This is a white one that was spied on. It's a little bit cut because the picture is a little bit low, but you see the infotainment right on the side. You see the testing button right up top. It's riding with a passenger. But if we look at this one, it's a lot closer. This one, we can see that the gentleman kind of has his hands there. I can't even tell, to be honest, if there's a paddle shift, but I think it should be there. We can see the big infotainment there. Again, it's 8 inches, so I don't know why I say big, but we see the infotainment there, but we see that it's completely changed. So the wall of buttons can't be seen, and it suggests that the physical climate and seat controls will be axed and they will be put in another place. Now, speaking of the infotainment, it's almost like the Silverado. If you look at it, I'm going to post a picture of the Silverado. It would be disappointing as the current model still has the 8-inch display, so it feels a tad too small. Now, let's get into the Zora. Reflection is making additional changes, but it looks like some of the switch gears may be updated and repositioning. Aside from that, the spy photos, which are the ones that mostly everyone noticed, was a set of Zora coupes that were spied on in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. Now, Corvette has been pretty tight-lipped when it comes to anything about the Zora. They haven't said much. We haven't seen much. A lot of people were thinking whether we're going to get it or we're not, whether it was going to be a myth. And I kept telling people, hey, Zora's, it might be a myth, but no, it's officially confirmed. I made a video about it. Some people got in touch with me through the DM on Instagram and asked me some questions about it. And I thought myself that we probably weren't going to see the car, but it's officially been confirmed. So it says, we can expect to see a combination of the 01's twin-turbo 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8 with the E-Race front-mount electric motor, which produces 160 horsepower, and the motor of the 01 produces 1,064 and 824 feet-pound of torque, which suggests that the all-wheel drive Zora could have well over 1,200 horsepower. The Zora is a combination of everything amazing and great that Chevy has done to the Corvette, putting it into a Zora, making it a beast of a vehicle. Now here we have some photos. There's a bit of snow, and we could kind of see them here, and we have about 4 of them. and we can see them with the gentleman's, you know, the gentleman's face were all blurry. This is credit to all of Car Scoop's pictures, and we can see as they were rolling out and driving away, we see a big front end picture here where we can see obviously a tall cover with carbon, not carbon fiber, with the camo and all that stuff, as they do with every prototype vehicle. And it says, it appears that the latest version has the 01 ZTK performance package. It includes front drive planes, a hood mount gurney lip, a massive rear wing, but we can also see a flow-through hood, lightweight wheels, and a familiar rear end. Obviously, these are just testing, not on the road, but it doesn't get that far from the river, I like to call it. It's pretty near to almost what it's going to be, or what is exactly going to be. So what are we seeing with these new upgrades and these new pictures? The Corvette finally gets a brand new interior, the famous wall that everyone wanted it to go. The Zora is officially confirmed, and that's that. I'm gonna tell you right now, that Zora is gonna be an amazing beast of a car. This is, you know, this is great news, and a lot of people did hate the C8 interior when it came to that wall, and you know, glad that they're correcting the interior. Glad that they're, you know, that they're restyling almost everything. But anyways, we'll see in the near future what the Zora is going to cost. We'll see if there's going to be a limited run number, or we'll see what is exactly going to happen with this vehicle. But it's going to be an amazing vehicle. Anyways, if you guys are rocking with the content, hit the thumbs up and the subscribe for your boys. I am out of here.